Mickey Meow.
I don't like the smell. The smell of baboy. Chicha just asked Marianne about if we could see the pigs, because he used to have a pigaton. And she basically explained they smell too bad. And if you haven't been near a piggery before, yeah, it's pretty bad. It smells pretty much, it's like worse than human poop. It's pretty gross. But again, an outstanding job on the landscaping. The renovating is all very nice. This is the rabbit house. This is where all the...
And before entering, we have also foot bath.
Oh, we gotta do a foot bath. Get a step in there, Zoe.
Step, Zoe. Zoe.
Step
You
inside.
Like that?
Just don't jump on.
Don't do puddles.
Just don't jump.
You got her? Okay. Go see the rabbit, Zoe. Foot bath. Ah, it's like a bath for my feet. And here they have the polystyrene thermal barrier insulation. Yeah, and this stuff it's only like 5 mm or 10 mm, but it makes a huge difference.
Oh, this is
Basically, it's like a reflective thermal barrier which reflects. It's double. This is the double-sided, so it reflects the heat up. And here's all the rabbits.
Remember that guy?
Yeah.
F-boy?
Yeah, this guy is, he's a little bit of a chick boy. And you can see his giant rabbit balls hanging down. Hey, buddy, remember us? I never posted that video. We took all that footage last time.
But you never posted.
And I never posted. Oh, there he goes. That's his house. That's his love shack. That's where the magic happens. That's where the magic happens.
Zoe, there's a baby rabbit.
Oh, hello, little bunny. Hello.
Buddy, foo, foo.
Zoe's gonna see the baby bunny.
Okay, here. Huh? Ooh, you got it. Oh, you know how
So
to
soft.
carry it.
So he has a rabbit.
Very good.
What's your rabbit? Does the rabbit have a name?
Do you want to name the rabbit?
2 hands. She's got it scruffed. She's got it scruffed like a cat.
Honey, look at the rabbit. Poor rabbit.
He's scruffed.
Look at how she
Oh,
holds it.
all right. Yeah, we should probably
Put it,
take the rabbit.
put it back.
Red like a demon. It's a demon bunny.
Oh, baby rabbit.
Albino.
Look at the ears, Zoe.
Albino rabbit.
Zoe, look at the ears.
Look at the ears.
Touch it.
Wow, so soft.
So soft.
Soft and fuzzy. Wow, look at this guy. Hey, kuya. Kumusta? Whoa. I just got a massive head rush.
That rabbit looks maldito.
Yep. Those are warrior bunnies. So how many rabbits you got here, Marianne?
We have thousands or thousands.
Wow. More or less, depending on how many we eat for rabbit adobo. And how often do they procreate? Buy me a drink first. Sex maniac.
He keeps on smelling the other
Go get him, go get him, go get him, go get him, go get him. Come on, baby. Light my fire. Whoa, he's got it. That was like jujitsu. Oh god, that was good, yeah. Zoe. Boing, 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 boing. Whee! Feed the rabbits, feed the rabbits, feed the rabbits, feed the rabbits. Yeah, taking siesta, it's midday. Go Zoe, go!
You don't want your grass.
There you go, though he was eating it.
Maybe she wants the grass at the back.
Zoe, this one.
You give it. She likes it. Another one.
Hey.
Wow.
Hello, little baby bunny.
It's okay, she's eating the grass, baby.
Eating the grass. Give her the grass. Yay.
And Zoe watches a lot of UK shows. One of her favorites is Bing Bunny. And here's Bing Bunny. Say hello, Bing.
Hi, Bing.
Hi, Bing. What are we going to do today? The same thing we do every day, Zoe.
We're gonna run and dance and sing and scream and play and poop. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Well, yeah, Zoe.
Bing doesn't want to eat grass.
He's gonna hide. Hide from the Zoe monster.
You don't want to eat the grass?
And you can also see the Rabbiton t-shirt that Marianne is rocking right here. This is only 200 pesos. And it is one of Chichai's favorite t-shirts. And they got a lot of nice stuff here. 200 pesos. That's about $3 last time I converted.
Almost. Go.
Yeah, run, rabbit, run! Freedom, freedom, freedom! Oh, look out for the Zoe monster! It's right behind you! Get it, Zoe! Oh, some nice rabbit pellets.
Oh yeah? Touch.
Aww.
Okay. Bye.
Dun, dun. Smile, Zoe. Zoe, smile. No. Aww. Good girl.
Go.
Let's go to the next one.
Find your rabbit here.
Wow, look at this big rabbit. He's green. You want to go up?
Yeah.
Wow. Three selfies. I mean,
Goofy. Daddy, look at Daddy.
this is where we're gonna leave Zoe.
Careful, I'm gonna break the floor.
Oh yeah, that doesn't look safe. That's not
I'm
safe.
gonna break the floor.
Okay, you can't go in. Chichai has her baby brace on. She's styling, profiling. And I think we're making our way up to the resto. They had set up this place called Rabbiton for the bunnies, but they had to close it because it was too exposed to the sun. It was just too hot. So they had to move them. Aww.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Marianne, you did a splendid job. Oh, we got horse people. All right. We got some adventurous people on horseback. They even got the hat. They're done. And the first time I came up here, we did this. I'm not gonna do it again. My back can't take the jostling. Hello, horsey. Hello, ladies.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, pod. Call the horse. Call the horsey.
Call the horse.
Woo woo.
We're losing her again.
Yeah, she's lost. She's spaced out. Come back.
Zoe, come back.
Woo woo.
Call the horse.
Silver. Hi ho, Silver. Away.
Silver.
Only people my age will get that reference.
Brownie.
Only old people will get the reference of Silver. Who named the horse Silver? The boss?
No, the owner of the horse.
The owner of the horse?
Actually.
That's from the Lone Ranger. His name was, of course, his name was Silver. Hi ho, Silver! Away! And this is the expression of long suffering right here. This is just a long suffering horse. He's like, yep, another person climbing up. Yeah. Also, a major part of the restoration was, I think it's called the Bouncing Pig, or something like that. Something Pig. It's this restaurant right here. Before, when you ordered food, they'd sit you down in the cottages, and now you actually got a dedicated eating area. This furniture all looks handmade. See the dowels here. It's again doweled. This is all handmade, and cool little picture op area right here. Again, this is all natural construction. Really cool bar chairs. That's a lot of shellac. Very nice, and they got some nice ambient music playing in the background. And Chichai is taking selfies. Zoe is half asleep. She's simply overwhelmed by all the rabbit goodness that's been going on.